Hey guys, my name is Mayank and you are watching Lucknowi Nawab. By the time is passing by, the gadgets have been becoming a part of our daily life. And earlier, where we used to use internet only on our smartphones, now every household is having multiple phones, laptops, tablets, even the TVs are getting smarter, the bulbs are getting smarter. So we all are having a need of high speed internet connection. And so today I have got this Tenda router which I have bought from Amazon, and I already have a router, but that is not giving me that much high speed because I have multiple gadgets at my place. So at times I do feel that I might need a high speed internet connection that can give me a better range. So earlier I had an eyeball Wi-Fi router with me that was 1 Mbps speed single band router, and it doesn't have it was a single antenna router, so it was not giving me that good speed. But now I have got this Tenda router which was suggested to me by my service provider. So I thought that I should give you a review about it. Let's unbox it and let's see what we get in the box. How good is it? I'll be doing a complete review later on, but today I'll just show you that how does this look and what exactly do you get with this router. I have bought this from Amazon for 999. The MRP that it was showing was 1200 rupees, 1500 rupees. Earlier it was used to be at around 1500 rupees, but now it has been dropped to around 999 because a lot of competition is in the market. The D-Link and TP-Link are also giving you the same kind of properties or same kind of features. It's a wireless N300. Model is F3, so it basically supports 300 Mbps up to 300 Mbps speed. So that is pretty good for a broadband connection if you are using at your place. I know that later on might be in future when we are going to have the fiber optics or the kind of Jio is providing us the speed, we might need to upgrade this router. But for now, I believe 300 Mbps is a good buy. And let's see how it goes from here. So मैं इसको अभी unbox कर रहा हूँ. I bought this from Amazon for 999. I ordered it yesterday and I got it today, so that's a pretty good service from Amazon. So I already have a router like I told you. It's placed in my bedroom right now, but I am going to set up a streaming room for my YouTube videos and game streaming. So for that I need a separate room on another floor. So I needed an extension, and so I asked my service provider that can he do a setup for me. So he suggested me that you can buy a router and he'll do the rest of the thing to add an extension through the LAN and all these things. So you can see the MRP over here. It says 2500 rupees, but it's available on Amazon for 999. I can share the link in the description below. If you want to purchase this, you can buy this from that link. So basically it has got like it shows on this box that it has got 3 antennas at the back. So basically it will give you a good Wi-Fi range. So I have a 3-floor house, and currently I have the Wi-Fi, the router that I already have is being set up in the first floor, so it doesn't gives a good range on the 3rd floor or at the top of the roof. So that's a bit of concern for me, but with this now I can get a better range. And yep, so let's see what is around the back. So it gives you a lot of information in multiple language, in Spanish, Portuguese. Here you can see the comparison between its 3 models. Mine is F3 in the middle one, and it says 3.53 into 5 dBi. The range is comparatively better than its N301. So this is just a basic information what you will get. Around at the back of the router you will get 4 ports, out of which this one port. Here you will insert the cable that is coming from your internet provider, service provider, and on these 3 ports you can connect your LAN that you can connect with your console, laptop or PC. This is your power option. Here you will put the power, and this is the reset button. Yeah, so yeah, let's unbox it. Let's see what it's inside the box. So the package is good. It's made up of a recyclable material, and it's not thermocol, which is good. With this we get this. So on the top of it there are some manual, installation guide we have. If you want to read this, you can go through it. If you are installing a Wi-Fi for the first time at your place, and if you are not being helped by any service provider, if you are doing it your own, then you can certainly take a look at this. Now we have this router with us, so it's let's keep this aside. And also we get a LAN wire along with this. So I believe it's not a very lengthy wire. It will be around 1 meter or around 1.5 meters. So let's keep all these things aside. Let's take a look at this power adapter first. I'm not sure if you're able to look at this, but its output is 9 volt 600 milliampere hour, and it's a 3-pin adapter. Let's keep this aside and let me show you this router. So it's pretty sleek. At this end we have got 3 antennas. Let me give you a good look from this angle. So this is how it looks basically. So the color they are providing is just a white option, although I would love to have a black option also, because most of the gadgets at our place are in black and it's doesn't get too dirty. But this white thing is also looking pretty nice, and this is how it looks when you are placing it. So according to your home and the range where you want it, you can simply tilt this in whichever direction you want. And there are multiple LED indicators over here for the power, for the Wi-Fi, for the LAN, whichever thing you are connecting. And as been shown on the package as well, we have the 4 ports at the back. Over here you will connect your the wire, the connection that is coming from your service provider, and on these 3 ports you can connect your LAN cables. So yeah, this is all about this Wi-Fi router. If you are looking to purchase this router, you have other options like TP-Link and D-Link also, but Tenda has been suggested to me by my service provider itself, and I have bought this for 999 on Amazon. Its price keeps getting up and down from like, so I haven't seen it's below 999, but I have seen it above 1200 also. So if you are looking to buy a router, this is a good time. You can buy it from Amazon, and it looks pretty good. It's pretty sleek. You can it's not a very boring looking router. If you have seen the other like D-Link or TP-Link, they looks pretty boring. So if you're setting a gaming room or anything like that, so this will give you a good look. You can keep it on your table also. It gives you a good look. And the Wi-Fi antennas, I'm going to test it later on, and I'll give you my verdict or review later on that how good is it. It's a 300 Mbps router that supports up to 300 Mbps speed. So and I'll be going to use this for my broadband connection definitely. तो दोस्तों ये थी अनबॉक्सिंग टेंडा 300 N300 वायरलेस राउटर की। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है और इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी है तो लाइक कीजिए। अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं और अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। इस तरह की इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस मैं लाता रहता हूँ, तो उसका अपडेट पाने के लिए आप नोटिफिकेशन बेल को दबा दीजिए। जैसे ही मेरी नई वीडियोज़ आएंगी उसका अपडेट आपको मिल जाएगा। मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।